Sisters Blended Value Project SBVP is a project that covers several East and Central African countries. So these are 5 countries presently: Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, Zambia and Malawi. And the aim of the project is to support Catholic sisters to engage them in the work that they are doing that are income generating. So this project began sometime around 2018 when Catholic sisters visited Rome, and they looked at some of the projects that they could be working on, and they engaged each other in coming up with a project that could support them in their income generating activities. They approached Conrad Hilton Foundation that was able to support these activities, and they were attached to Miller Center, which is part of Santa Clara University, to start SBVP and to engage them in learning the skills of how to manage their income generating activities. Now, the team at that time worked with Akweka, and up till now they still work with Akweka, and Akweka is the Association of Consecrated Women of East and Central Africa. And then the project evolved, and it evolved in 2021 when it came to Strathmore University.
When you look at sisters, they work with the most grassroots communities. They work with communities, even places where there are no government services. And we believe that if many sisters are able to operate or to get the knowledge and the skills that Strathmore Business School is giving, and they are able to work with those local communities, the communities themselves can come up with their own SMEs and be able to continue impacting our society, especially at that level. And in that way, we'll be talking about reducing poverty. We'll be talking about having resilient communities.
We started the journey with baseline survey, and this baseline survey was really helping us to get a better understanding of the day-to-day lives of the Catholic sisters, how they run their social ministries, what are the challenges they encounter, and also to tease out what some of the possible solutions could be, because they do this on a daily, so we were sure that they do have ideas on how they can be supported, and that would go a long way in the project design.
The Sisters Blended Value Project is very good, very helpful. In the beginning, I was actually wondering what it's all about, what is it that we're going to learn. But when we started off, it has been an eye-opener. It's a game changer. So the little that I knew now is being developed in the state of upskilling the social enterprise that we learn. If some days back you asked me whether we are running an enterprise, because enterprise is treated as a business, I would have said no. Ours is a non-profit making institution. But today my language may be different. It's a social enterprise, but it's supposed to sustain itself. So I'm telling those sisters outside there that it is a cause worth taking. So given a chance, go for it.
We have within the project 4 key pillars aimed at supporting them to ensure that they meet the goals of sustainability in their social enterprises. So the first pillar is capacity development. We provide skills and capacity to help them learn how to manage their project efficiently and effectively.
What makes our trainings unique and customized. It's because of the methodology that we use. So for this phase, we are going to consider using case study methodology, and we are also going to embed coaching and mentorship into the training. So we have 3 programs that are coming up. We have the START program, and these are aiming at those congregations who are initiating their social entrepreneurship journey. And then we have the Advance program, and this Advance program is aiming at those congregations who already have impactful projects, but they are looking at scaling these projects or even growing these particular projects for them to be more sustainable. Then the third program that we have is the Alumni Bootcamp. And remember, I've said this is phase 3 of the project. So phase 2, we did social entrepreneurship development programs to different congregations and to different sisters. And so we are bringing them back for this Alumni Bootcamp to see what worked and what didn't work.
The second pillar is access to markets. So we do this through conferences where we organize for the sisters to meet other like-minded social entrepreneurs who they can connect with and learn from and also collaborate. The third pillar is what we call research, and within research it's focused on knowledge gathering and also knowledge dissemination. So we write journal papers, academic papers, we write white papers that can be able to influence policy, and we also write cases. So we pick up stories from sisters and we write cases that other sisters can learn from. The fourth and final pillar is access to finance. So this is where we support Catholic sisters in terms of being able to access finance, in looking at who are the other funders, whether they are commercial or whether they are granting organizations. So we are very excited to have you and in the Sisters Blended Value program, which we call SBVP. So at the end of the program, we will guide you on how you will prepare a document that tells us what you have learned and how you will implement it. So you'll hear about this, and it's called Action Learning Project, where you will be guided by a coach to work through this process of implementing. Welcome. We look forward to working with you. We look forward to seeing you in the graduation square.